Welcome back to another videos. Join us for the latest news, insights, and updates on the Iraqi dinar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's explore the world of the Iraqi dinar together. The Iraqi dinar has been under significant pressure, particularly since the government and the Central Bank of Iraq initiated measures to stabilize the currency by devaluing it in December 2020. Initially, this move was intended to address the country's budget deficit and mitigate the impact of low oil prices and the COVID-19 pandemic. However, despite these efforts, the devaluation hasn't effectively curbed inflation in the black market. Economic expert iraqi highlighted this discrepancy, noting that while the official exchange rate stands at 132,000 dinars per dollar, the parallel market sees rates as high as 153,000 dinars for every $100. This disparity breeds uncertainty and erodes trust among both the populace and businesses. Looking ahead, there are concerns that the dinar may face further pressure before Ramadan. This anticipation stems from increased demand for imports and consumer goods during this period, which could drive up the price of the dollar. The implications of this situation for the Iraqi economy and its people are profound. Firstly, the diminishing purchasing power of the dinar translates to higher costs for essential goods, thereby affecting the standard of living. Secondly, the government stands to lose revenue from oil exports as the devaluation means they receive fewer dinars for each dollar earned. Thirdly, the widening gap between official and unofficial exchange rates may deter foreign investors and traders due to heightened risks and costs associated with doing business in Iraq. The Iraqi dinar, the national currency of Iraq, has been subjected to considerable strain in recent times. This pressure primarily emanates from the efforts of the Iraqi government and the Central Bank of Iraq to stabilize the currency. However, despite their attempts, the dinar's value has continued to face challenges, particularly in the face of inflationary pressures in the black market. The disparity between the official exchange rate and the rates prevalent in the parallel market has engendered uncertainty and eroded trust among the populace and businesses alike. The decision to devalue the dinar, initiated in December 2020, was prompted by various economic factors, including a burgeoning budget deficit, the adverse effects of low oil prices, and the disruptions caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. Initially envisaged as a measure to shore up the economy, the devaluation has failed to achieve its intended goals, particularly in taming inflationary pressures in the black market. Economic expert iraqi has pointed out the stark contrast between the official exchange rate, set at 132,000 dinars per dollar, and the rates prevailing in the parallel market, which soar as high as 153,000 dinars for every $100. This significant gap underscores the challenges facing the Iraqi dinar and highlights the need for more effective measures to stabilize the currency. Looking ahead, there are apprehensions regarding the dinar's performance leading up to Ramadan. Historically, this period witnesses heightened demand for imports and consumer goods, which often exerts upward pressure on the price of the dollar. This anticipation of further strain on the dinar underscores the urgency of addressing the underlying issues plaguing Iraq's economy. Additionally, there is a pressing need for structural reforms aimed at diversifying Iraq's economy and reducing its dependence on oil revenues. Historically, Iraq's economy has been heavily reliant on oil exports, leaving it vulnerable to fluctuations in global oil prices. Diversifying the economy entails investing in non-oil sectors such as agriculture, manufacturing, and services, thereby creating new sources of growth and employment. This diversification strategy not only reduces the economy's vulnerability to external shocks but also fosters long-term economic resilience and sustainability. Furthermore, addressing the security challenges facing Iraq is paramount for creating an enabling environment for economic growth and development. The country has grappled with persistent security threats, including terrorism, insurgency, and sectarian violence, which have hindered investment and economic activity. Improving security requires a comprehensive approach that encompasses both military and non-military measures, including efforts to address underlying grievances, promote reconciliation, and build inclusive institutions. By addressing the root causes of insecurity and instability, Iraq can create a more secure and stable environment conducive to economic growth and prosperity. In conclusion, the challenges facing the Iraqi dinar are multifaceted and require a comprehensive and coordinated response from policymakers, stakeholders, and the international community. By adopting a more flexible exchange rate policy, diversifying the economy away from oil dependence, combating corruption, improving governance, and addressing security challenges, Iraq can restore confidence in its currency and lay the foundation for sustainable economic growth and development. While these reforms may be challenging and require significant political will and commitment, they are essential for securing Iraq's future and improving the well-being of its people. Thanks for watching Iraqi Dinar. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share our videos. Your support keeps our channel going. Stay curious, and see you in the next one.